I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time.
Kena si Kyle. Oh, Kyle. Panghawa mo. Tingkay. Ikaw na niya.
Wow! Happy birthday to you! You! Yeah!
A few moments later.
Daddy. Daddy. Hay kulawan na ni.
Bukan perkara belum.
Ito siya guys, ano. Ayan, baso yung ginamit kasi wala kami yung pamukpok. Yes, ayan, watermelon. Ito na guys yung niluto ng aking asawa. Ayan. Sorry, parang makalat kasi kumakain na yung aking baby. Ayan siya, masarap siya guys.
One nap later.
Guys, today guys, kasi tapos na yung aking asawa magluto. So ngayon, kami guys, magbabicycle. Ito yung aking damit, dalawa. So we're doon sa class. So ayan, ito lang yung ating tawag ito? Outfit. Ayan. Itong ano ko guys, yung sa baba is parang may ano siya sa likod, yung parang may foam para di sumakat yung aking ano. You know na kung ano yun. So guys, see you later guys. Sorry sa itsura. Kasi ano, magbabicycle so. Wala tayong ka-arty-arty.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face, you saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I sensed something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
He looks like they want to.
You're not dog. See?
They have cookies or something for him?
Yeah.
flying there. Look, so many flying. Flying through. Zobacz ile lata. Tam latają, tu latają.
The next day.
Guys, good afternoon. Today, guys, pupunta tayo sa guys, sa kaibigan kong Pinay kasi may order ako doon na OB pandesal. So, ayun guys, see ya later. Sorry para yung aking baby, narinig niyo umiyak kasi super exciting siyang lumabas. So, ayun guys, see ya later.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face, you saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I sensed something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple bouncers.
Guys, nasa bahay na kami. Kakarating lang namin. So, ayan guys, ininit ko lang yung OB pandesal. Tapos, guys. So, hanggang dito na lang yung aking video. And see you on my next one. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. And paki-ring na rin yung bell button para ma-notify ka every time na may new video ako. So, bye-bye guys. See you on my next one.